Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class.
Okay, students, today we are going to do very interesting activity on page number 37. So open the page number 37 of your book. Let's start. Count and write the answer in the box. So student, how many pastries are in two plates? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 3 plus 5, 8. Next one is how many candies? There are 7 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal 7. Next activity में देखिए students, add the blocks and match with numbers. 5 red blocks plus 4 blue blocks is equal 9. So make the number 9. 6 blocks plus 2 green. 6 plus 2 is equals 8. So match the number with 8. Third one is 3 blue blocks plus 3 yellow. 3 plus 3, 6. So match these blocks with number 6. Last one is 3 red blocks plus 2 blue. 3 plus 2 is equal 5. So match these blocks with 5 number.